Today we're doing a new speed bump installation. Keep watching our video and we'll show you how we do that. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from doitallsealing.com. Today we're going to be doing a new speed bump installation on this roadway. They want to slow the cars down that are going a little bit too fast. So right now there's no speed bumps, but we're doing a brand new speed bump installation. So the first step, we're just going to measure a foot from each side of the curb for water drainage. We're going to measure the middle, leave a little opening in the middle, and then we're going to mark out the speed bumps. So I'm going to go ahead and just get that started. So here's a foot. I'm just going to mark out where it's going to go. This is my center here. They're going to be 3 feet in width. So I'm just measuring 1.5 feet on each side. Just going to put a dot. Now I'm going to find the middle of the road. So how I'm going to do that, I'm just going to run the measuring wheel across. Okay, so we got about roughly 20 feet. So I'm going to come back this way and put a dot in the center. And it's actually right here. So that's my marking point. So now we're going to go, I'm going to leave 2 feet in the middle. So here we got 1 foot on one side. We got another foot on the other side here. Okay, so now, just going to eyeball this. 3 feet width. Here. Now I'm going to box this out so that we know where to cut. So what I did here, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just going to measure up here. So here's my starting point. 3 feet across. And we got to measure from the curb. 1 foot. Okay. So now we same thing. Three feet across. Here. Now we just mark out the lines. There we go. So now it's marked out. We're ready to begin the saw cuts. Okay, so here we have our floor saw. We're getting ready to cut the speed bumps out where they're going to be installed. So very first thing to know is most of the time it's a good idea to use water with this application. Unfortunately, we don't have water access, so we're going to be doing dry cuts today. So first thing we got to do is just start that up and get that set to go. our saw cuts are done, we've just got some access cuts as well here so that we can use the Bobcat to excavate the asphalt in order to get the teeth in. So I'm just going to manually remove with the pickaxe where the access cuts are on the asphalt, and then I'm just going to rip that out by hand, and then we can use the loader to excavate the rest. Okay, so now we're ready to use the Bobcat Loader to excavate the rest of the asphalt. Okay, so I'm just going to rake out this granular A we're using for base before we install the asphalt tomorrow. So now that the granular A is installed, we'll compact that tomorrow before we start laying the asphalt. Right now I'm just going to spray the corners with some marking paint just to notify the cars and people that there's actually an open area here, and I'm just going to place a pylon there as well. Okay, so we're back the next day with some hot asphalt. We're just going to give it a hand tamp. We've already used the machine plate tamper, but cars have driven over it, so I'm just going to give it a light tamp just before we begin. Okay, so now that we've dumped the asphalt, we're just going to start by rough raking the new speed bump. Now that the rough raking is done, we're going to use this lute to give it a smooth finish. Okay, so we just finished edging the speed bump. So now we're just gonna first take our hand tamper and just give it a light tamp until it cools down a little bit before we can use our plate compactor. So now that the asphalt's had some time to cool down after we hand tamped it, we're going to use the plate tamper with some water and we're going to give it its final compaction. We're back a couple days later. We're going to finish off the speed bumps just by applying some federal traffic paint, some yellow federal traffic paint. So I'm just, the line painter's already started up. I'm just going to go ahead and put the pressure up and we're going to get started. Okay, the speed bump is now painted. We just use the pylons to block it off and traffic can resume after about an hour. So that's it. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell. Turn notifications on for upcoming videos. Stay notified. Leave a comment. Like our video and share our video. And we'll see you next time from DudeAllSealing.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.